Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply the AI anime photo style in CapCut mobile. So if you want to use the AI anime style, you need to use a photo because it cannot be used on video. So here I've already add a photo to my CapCut, and you can just click on the photo and go to style. Here swipe on the category and then just click on the this one, AI painting, and there will be four options: the Japan anime, dreamy anime, cat, and also the muscle man anime. So you can just select from this four, between these fours. Because I add a photo of a woman, I can only use these three. So let's try to click on the cat anime. Okay, so this will be the result. Or let's try the dreamy one. So this is for the dreamy effect. And the last one is Japan anime. So this is like a common anime. So you can just select between these three, which one that you think fits your style the best. I'm going to use the cat one. Click on the check icon and that's it. So thank you for watching.